Hi everyone, Texas Tutor here. Today I will be teaching you the quotient rule for derivatives. So this is our quotient rule equation. It does look pretty complicated, so I like to break it down using an example. Here's my example. h of x equals, we'll do 2x to the third power over the natural log of x. Now, we want to know what h prime of x is, or the derivative of h of x. It's the same thing. So, we need to find and split this up into f of x and a g of x. It's really simple. The f of x has to be what's on top. So f of x equals 2x to the third power. G of x equals the natural log of x. Now we need the derivative of both of those. We'll need it for the equation. So f prime of x, what does that equal? Well, 3 times 2 is 6. And then we have the x still, and we take 1 off the exponent. That's 2. Okay, so g prime of x, the derivative of the natural log of x is 1 over x. So we have 1 over x. Now let's plug all those into the equation. Let's see here. So h prime of x equals f prime of x, 6x squared, times g of x, natural log of x, minus f of x, 2x to the third power, times g prime of x, which is 1 over x. So I'm going to put this x under it. Okay, and all that is over gx squared, which is the natural log of x squared. Let's see. We could factor this, but I don't think we're going to. I think we just need to cancel right here. So let's rewrite this real quick. H prime of x equals 6x squared, natural log of x, minus, let's see, one of these x's cancels right here. So we have 2x squared, there we go, over the natural log of x squared. That's our answer. Hope that was helpful for you. See you again next time.